Hi, anyone and everyone. This is Kim, the Humble Hermit from Come As You Are Oracle. I'm going to do a collective Oracle and affirmations for today. Today is Sunday, December 14th, 2025. You can follow me on the tube, my blog, or not. Totally up to you. Take what resonates. It all might resonate. It's affirmations. We're going to use the Spiritual Meaning of Birds Oracle deck by Erin Murphy Hiscock. I think I put one of her other decks in my cart on Amazon. We got one on the table. Two on the table. Let's do one more shuffle. Oh, that's interesting. Four on the table. Five with bottom of the deck. Didn't we get those last time? Oh, interesting. All right. We've got duck. Weathering storms, transition, prosperity. We got hawk. Wilderness, perception, observation. Waxwing. Sharing, health, gluttony. Some of them have the opposite on there and some of them don't. Quail, fertility, caution, tenacity. Sorry, my leg is itchy. We got swan, transformation, dreams, illusion. Okay, this one said transition, but it's pretty much, it's close to the same thing. I literally just did a reading with roots and wings, and transformation was in there. And again, I think it's just a lot of us going through a healing period, a transformation period, because cycles are ending. It's the end of the year. Next year's the new beginning, right? I think people are just closing out situations, and in January, new ones are going to start, you know? Sorry, my ear is, this ear lately is always swollen. And I think it's because of this piercing. I'm always trying to like keep it clean, but it's really hard. Anywho, yeah, I think we keep getting the same message over and over and over and over again. And I just can't help but feel like everybody is going through something right now. Because again, everything's closing out and a new chapter is beginning, whether we like it or not. I'm going to leave it there for you. I hope it resonated. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope, if anything, you were entertained. And I'll talk to you later. Bye, y'all.